Ooh, Jamie, this is Chardonnay. Chardonnay with one N. Because usually Chardonnay's with two N's, but in this case, she's lost an N. Come on, Chardonnay. Move. Make this film more interesting for Jamie. Come on. She's a bit grumpy this morning. Oh. Do you want to come out? You want to come for a walk? Come on. Oh, she's gone. Oh, there she is. Oh shit, I dropped Chardonnay. Where is she? Chardonnay, come back. All is forgiven. No. Oh Christ, I forgot my coffee.